Game Crash Code FHE01, Forza Horizon 6 crash error on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Forza Horizon 6 Properties Manage. Click Verify and repair game files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Disable overclocking. Reset CPU and GPU overclock settings to default. Disable unstable XMP Expo profiles temporarily. Relaunch the game afterward. 5. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options. Also repair gaming services. 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 7. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R. Type sent local app data, sent, and press enter. Remove corrupted Forza Horizon 6 cache config files. 9. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover game files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.